Apple is breaking the internet with the latest leaks from the supply chain. And if you are holding out for the next ultimate portable tablet, everything we thought we knew about Apple's strategy just shifted completely. The tech world is buzzing with major, verified insider reports about a device that is skipping an entire generation of tech to completely rewrite the rules of what a compact device can do. If you've been looking for the ultimate daily driver that perfectly balances raw power with effortless portability, you need to stay tuned until the very last second. We are breaking down the exact specifications, the radical design adjustments, and the unprecedented internal overhauls coming to the highly anticipated Apple iPad Mini 8. Don't make the mistake of buying an older model now when a revolutionary upgrade is lurking right around the corner. For years, the iPad Mini lineup has been treated by Apple as a bit of an afterthought, trapped in an erratic, unpredictable release cycle that left premium users hanging for years between minor refreshes. But according to explosive supply chain reports and internal iOS build leaks, Apple is preparing to completely explode that pattern. The iPad Mini 8 is not a minor spec bump. It is a profound engineering leap designed specifically for high-end users who demand flagship capabilities without the massive footprint of a Pro or Air model. Let's talk about the absolute showstopper change that is guaranteed to change how you look at mobile entertainment and productivity: the display. According to highly reputable display analysts and production logs out of East Asia, the iPad Mini 8 is officially ditching the aging Liquid Retina LCD panel. In its place, Apple is introducing a gorgeous, cutting-edge Tandem OLED display, marking the first time this ultra-premium, dual-stack organic light-emitting diode technology is crossing over from the top-tier iPad Pro models to a non-Pro device. If you've ever used a modern iPad Mini, you're likely familiar with the frustrating jelly scrolling effect caused by uneven screen refresh rates. This new organic layout completely eradicates that issue by implementing a lightning-fast, perfectly synchronized refresh cycle. Furthermore, the transition to this panel design allows Apple to shave down the borders around the screen. While the physical shell remains incredibly compact and lightweight at under 300 grams, the actual viewing area is expanding slightly to a spacious 8.4-inch display. This shift delivers absolute inky blacks, infinitely deep contrast ratios, and jaw-dropping high dynamic range performance while consuming significantly less power, vastly improving your real-world battery life during extended media consumption. But what good is an extraordinary cinema-grade screen if the processing brain cannot keep up? Prepare to have your mind blown because the silicon story inside this device is nothing short of unprecedented. Standard Apple logic dictates that a smaller tablet receives an older, slightly binned chip to keep product tiers distinct. However, kernel code analysis and internal manufacturing leaks reveal that the iPad Mini 8 is skipping an entire processor generation to leapfrog directly to the hyper-advanced 2-nanometer A20 Pro chip. This is the exact same bleeding-edge processor destined for Apple's upcoming elite smartphone line. By bypassing standard iterative steps, Apple is turning this small powerhouse into an uncompromised mobile monster. We are looking at a massive performance jump over previous chip architectures, giving you a desktop-class central processing unit and a massive graphics processing unit that natively supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This means AAA gaming titles will render with console-equivalent shadows, reflections, and frame rates right in the palm of your hand. This massive influx of raw power serves a critical purpose beyond just gaming. It is the foundational pillar for the next generation of Apple intelligence. To make sure these advanced AI features run smoothly on-device without relying constantly on cloud servers, Apple is equipping the iPad Mini 8 with a staggering 12 gigabytes of ultra-fast random access memory. Paired with a redesigned high-performance 16-core neural engine, this device will effortlessly handle complex local artificial intelligence tasks. Your device will actively manage system-wide visual intelligence, advanced local photo processing, real-time context-aware scheduling, and an incredibly intuitive, deeply integrated Siri experience that can execute intricate multi-step commands across various applications simultaneously. It turns a simple portable tablet into an active, highly responsive personal assistant that adapts to your workflow in real time. the engineering marvels don't stop under the hood. They extend directly to the structural integrity of the chassis itself. For the first time in the entire history of the iPad family, Bloomberg reports that Apple is introducing official IP68 water and dust resistance to this tablet. Until now, tablets have been notoriously fragile when exposed to environmental elements, but the compact form factor of the Mini makes it the perfect travel companion, field tool, and poolside e-reader. To safely achieve an airtight IP68 rating capable of surviving freshwater submersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, Apple had to completely reinvent the audio delivery system. They are abandoning the traditional physical mesh speaker grills that easily let water seep into vulnerable circuitry. Instead, the iPad Mini 8 will feature an innovative, holeless acoustic design that utilizes precision vibration technology, effectively turning the premium aluminum housing of the tablet itself into a speaker membrane. In terms of physical connectivity and storage configurations, Apple is tailoring this machine to seamlessly fit into a high-end digital ecosystem. Base storage configurations are officially starting at a respectable 128 gigabytes, with tiers scaling all the way up to 512 gigabytes for heavy content creators, mobile photographers, and power users who need local access to massive project files. On the wireless front, the iPad Mini 8 is receiving the highly sought-after custom N1 wireless chip, enabling true Wi-Fi 7 capabilities alongside Bluetooth 6. This guarantees blisteringly fast local network data transfers, ultra-low latency, and vastly improved connection stability in congested areas. For those who opt for the cellular models, Apple is implementing their proprietary C1X modem, which provides unparalleled 5G network speeds and significantly improved power efficiency, so your battery won't drain rapidly when you're working away from Wi-Fi. Now, let's address the big questions on everyone's mind. When can you actually buy this device, and how much will it impact your wallet? Given the sheer scale of the upgrades being packed into this compact shell, including that expensive Tandem OLED display and the premium 2-nanometer processor, manufacturing costs are undeniably higher. However, Apple knows the compact tablet market is fiercely competitive. Reliable industry insiders indicate that the starting price point will hover in a surprisingly reasonable range of $549 to $599 for the base model. This positioning makes it a highly compelling alternative to larger, bulkier devices, offering elite flagship power at a much more accessible entry point. If you want to make sure you stay completely ahead of the curve on all things consumer tech, premium electronics leaks, and deep dive industry analysis, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all notifications so you never miss a single update. Drop a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. Are you going to wait out the market for the revolutionary iPad Mini 8, or are you looking at other options? We want to hear from you. Stay tuned, stay tech savvy, and we will see you in the very next video.